Hey, welcome back everyone to the brand new episode of the Code Drop. Today, we're going to see how to align text and objects using CSS in different positions. So, let's get started. Now, first of all, we'll open our folder in Visual Studio Code. That is the first step. And after that, we're going to open the index.html file. First of all, we're going to start with the alignment of text in different positions. So let's make a heading here and let's add some text. Heading 1. Now there are 4 different alignments you can apply to a text that are left, right, center and justified. So we're going to try all of them and let's see how they work out. So the first one is heading 1. Now we're going to copy this up 4 times and now we'll make classes for all those alignments. So class 1 is going to be TA left, which is text align left, and similarly we'll have right, center and justified. So let's make those classes. The second one is going to be right, the third one is going to be center, and the fourth one is going to be justify. Now we have made these classes. Let's hit run. You can see that we have these 4 headings here, and now we'll add styles to these classes. So the first class is TA left. Let's make TA left and we'll add text align left. So actually text alignment is left by default, so even if we don't add anything, it will be on left only. That was easy. Now second one is right. So same property, text align and then right. We hit save and now you can see that our heading 1, okay, actually I should rename all of these two. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 and heading 4. So now our heading 2, which is right aligned, is on right side of the screen. Now our third alignment is TA center. Again we'll use the property text align and we'll add a center property here. We hit save and now you can see that heading 3 is in center, and at the end text align justify, and we'll add text align justify here again. We hit save and you can see that there's no difference because there's 2 words, but if we increase the numbers then you can see. So let's add some more text. This is first sentence and it is left aligned. Okay, so we're going to copy this thing and just change the second, third, fourth thing. So this one is going to be right align and this one is going to be the second sentence. Now here again it is going to be center align and this is going to be the third sentence, and at last this one is going to be the fourth sentence and it's going to be justified align. Now this was how we do text alignment, and now you want to proceed to how we do object alignment. So to do that, let's make a few objects. So instead of objects, it's going to make divs. So let's give a page break first and then we'll make our first div. We'll say its class as left, and we don't want to add anything in here for now. We'll add class right, and again we don't want to add anything, and then we'll add div class center. Now let's add some styles and make these objects actually look like objects. So let's go to our style tag and let's add dot left first. Now the objects can be aligned in three ways: left, right, and center. So we're going to do all of those, and we're going to use a property called float for aligning the objects left and right, and we're going to set margin as auto and display as block for aligning in center. So let's do that. For now, we're going to add float left for left alignment, and then we're going to add right here. We're going to say float right, and then there's center. So we'll see center later. First, let's make these objects. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go with division, and we'll set a background, and we'll set a background of red. Then we're going to go forward and add some height and width to these objects. So height is going to be 200 pixels and width is going to be 200 pixels. So this is going to be a square one. Okay, now you can see that we have a left aligned body and a right aligned body. So let's actually add a paragraph in here which will say left and right. Now we can see that there's left and right within all over the place, and let's add this center also. So you can see that center division is not actually at center. So what we're going to do is there's no any property called float center. So we're going to do it in two steps. The first step is going to be set display as block, and then we're going to add a margin of auto. And when it's saved, you can see now that our object is centrally aligned because we're using different properties there. So instead of float left and right, and actually we can use just display block here also, and then margin right auto. So just notice that when we are aligning the objects in left, we're saying margin right auto, and then again when we are aligning the right one, we're going to say display block, and this one is also going to be opposite of that, and we're going to see margin left auto. Now you can see that our objects are aligned in a very good way. So the first one is left, the second one is center, and the third one is right. So let's actually add our properties of TA left for the paragraphs, and let's align the text also. So left is going to be TA left, or actually we can actually just set center to all of those because they're already aligned. So we're going to align the paragraphs in all of these to center. So that's how we align text and objects using CSS. And that's it for today, guys. Thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel if you loved it. I'll see you on the next episode of the Code Drop. Bye for now.